Ever wonder what happens when 8 streams of color hit the canvas at once? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel where we experiment with color and technique. Today, I'm using a flower pour tool and the results are stunning. I was inspired by the ideal of symmetry and flow, how separate streams of color can come together to form something bold and beautiful. I layered shades of blue, purple, orange, and white into the center of the flower pour tool. With 8 grooves, the paint poured evenly onto the canvas, creating flower-like ribbons of color. This tool splits your paint into multiple streams, perfect for creating petal effects or geometric symmetry in fluid art. Watch closely as gravity in motion starts transforming this floral pattern into something entirely new. Once the paint was on the canvas, I tilted gently in all directions. This stretched and blended the colors while keeping their original symmetry alive. This pour reminded me that beauty often comes from letting go of control and trusting the flow. If you're as mesmerized by this pour as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And remember, stay creative and keep painting. And here it is, a vibrant abstract painting filled with movement and full of color and harmony.